2023 Honda Pilot air filter and cabin filter replacement. So here's where the air filter is. We're going to take off 3 bolts right here, 8mm socket, or a Phillips head can remove these. Get these 3 loose. Now if one of them falls out and gets missing, I'm going to show you real quick. You can replace it. This one fell off on me at first and I had to get a new one. So here's what the bolt looks like if you drop yours. Here's the part number. I will link it below if you need an extra one. Remove this panel. It can be a little stubborn. Here's the filter. Remove the filter. This one's a little dirty. Here is my new one. This is the new air filter part number. I will link it in the description below. That part says this side down. And also there's a spot with an arrow right here. So we're going to put this towards the rear, and then we're going to have the side that says this side down facing downwards. It will slide into place, get it settled in. Now this part needs to mesh with this part. Let's put this on here. And when you put this on, it may be kind of difficult, or the little bolts or screws might not want to operate right. If they do, you can push this little bottom part up and then screw it down a bit, and that will help that bolt stay in. It helped for me to push this straight backwards to help get the bolts lined up. But you want to get them all lined up and hand threaded first before tightening them down. Once they're lined up, we can tighten them down. Okay, they're nice and tight. And again, it helped me to push it towards the windshield, and then the holes lined up easier. Now to the cabin filter. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box, squeeze both sides at the same time, and lower the glove box. With both hands on each side, squeeze both sides and lower this. Here is the cabin filter access door, this black door. Notice it has an arrow pointing down with the words airflow. Remove the access door by gently pushing on the tabs on the left and right side, and then slide the access door towards you. Notice the arrows on the cabin filter. Let's take this out. Remove the cabin filter. I believe this was a misprint on this Honda filter. Here's the part number. I believe the old one had a misprinted arrow. I'll show you what I mean. Here's the new Honda air filter. I will link it below. And when I look at the side of this cabin filter, it says airflow down and has an arrow pointing down. That's the new one on the bottom. So I'm going to install this with the arrows pointing down because that's the direction of airflow. And when I put the access door on, it will also match with the arrow on the access door. Line this up and gently push the sides down, and it should click into place. Then with the glove box, you can push it up into place. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. Got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AUXITO website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model, There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.